Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I got my aluminum and magnesium alloy algae scraper in stock. I bought this off Amazon. I forgot how much I paid. I think it was 20 or 30 bucks. I think it was around 20 bucks, I think it was, yeah. Not 100% sure. But this is what it looks like. That's the box right there. I think it's made in China, I think. Yeah, made in China, it says. So, whatever. What are you going to do? Hopefully it still works fine, even though it's made in China. And that's it. So, it says we got to put this thing together. Let's see what it looks like. Let's open this thing up and let's see what we got. So, it's called the QANVEE, is what it says. It's called the QANVEE, if you could see that. Yeah, see? The QANVEE. So, it's called the QANVEE. So, let's open it up. So it comes like this, looks just like this. So we're going to take the plastic off this and see what we got. So a brush popped out of the back. Somehow a brush popped out. So here's a little brush. So here's the brush that it comes with. It feels okay. I mean, I could probably scrub the rock with this, I guess, and maybe get that nasty stuff off of the rock. Maybe that'll work. So that's pretty cool. It comes with 10 blades. So it does come with 10 blades, and here's the 10 blades that they come with right here. And then I guess this just screws together. Here's Allen keys and a screwdriver. Oh, it's a screwdriver, and it's Allen key on both sides, on each side. So here's this. Here's the handle. So I guess this just screws into here. Depending on how long you need it, you can use the extra long one, which I'm probably gonna, I'll use the small one at first because I want to get in the little tight spaces. So I'll probably just go with the small one at first, and then it just screws on, just like this. This is plastic. The rest of it's metal, so that kind of stinks. But what are you gonna do? So it screws into it just like that, and that's your little scraper that you have. So this is made out of alloy, some kind of, it says aluminum and magnesium, so hopefully the salt water doesn't rust this out. I'll let you know, because like I said, this is plastic. I mean, it is what it is. Let's see. Let's take this, and then we got to take this part off right here. Alright, so that comes off like that. Let's get the blade out. Put the blade in here, right? You can all see that? Yeah, you can all see that. So, put the blade in here. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's double-sided, which is pretty cool, so you could just flip it around. Let's see. So it goes like that. Okay. So it goes just like that, and then these get screwed into here, which goes on the back. Which this goes on the back right here like this. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's installed. If this is sharp, I could probably definitely cut you. It's definitely sharp, but it's very flimsy. Very cheap, very flimsy. I think it'll do the job. It's not like I'm fighting against an animal in there. I'm just trying to scrape off some algae, so this should probably work fine, but let's see how it works. I got a little bit of algae. Let's put the video up over there. I don't know if you can see it. See that algae? There's all algae right here. See it right there? So I'm going to try to scrape all that off. And let's see how cool it goes. How easy it is. Oh, comes right off. Comes right off. Done. With a nice new blade. Wow. Comes right off. Everything's floating around. Hopefully that gets sucked up into the filter. Wow, really nice. Okay. I like. Good thing I went with the smaller handle. So it does work. I like the way it works. It seems like it's working really well. I'm going to use it for the rest of the tank. So I have to say it's a pretty decent review for what I got. It scraped off, came out real clean. I like it. Hopefully that's all going into the filter and getting all sucked up. And that's what we got so far. All right. So thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. Please subscribe and join me on my little adventure. Also, if you have any questions or comments, post them down below. I would love to know. Please. And that's about it. So, Glen Velvet Reviews, I am out. Have a good one. Bye-bye, everybody.